Excavator loader. The functions of the backhoe loader include the ability to lift and move heavy loads, logs, branches, and construction debris. It is equipped with a special grapple device. Truck crane. Truck crane functions include the ability to lift and move heavy loads on a construction site. Truck cranes are usually equipped with an extendable boom, which allows them to reach great heights and reach. They can be used for lifting and installing building materials, erecting structures, and dismantling and moving heavy objects. Rotary excavator. Rotary excavators are used to extract and load various types of raw materials such as stone, clay, gravel, and sand. They can effectively loosen and break up rocks and then load them into vehicles for further processing or transportation. Bulldozer. A bulldozer is a heavy construction machine that is used to move large amounts of soil, snow, loose materials, and other materials. Bulldozers are usually equipped with a large and wide blade on the front of the machine, which is used to push material forward or sideways. They are often used to level the ground surface, create road surfaces, and clear construction sites. Concrete mixer. A concrete mixer is a specialized machine used for mixing concrete mix. It usually has a large drum in which concrete components such as cement, sand, gravel, and water are mixed. It spins to keep the concrete from hardening. Concrete mixers can be stationary or mobile, and their function is to ensure that the concrete is mixed evenly and well before it is used on the construction site.